We all know that you can change your phone from light to dark mode in your settings, but did you know you can do the same thing in your vehicle display? Hey everyone, my name is Charlotte. Welcome back to the Kia Hyundai channel and subscribe because we always talk about some Kia and Hyundai pro tips. And today we're doing just that with our vehicle's display. So first things first, if you want to change it, you're going to go to Setup. From here, Screen, Theme, and Layout, and you can see we have it set to white, bright, but if you want it to be a little bit less harsh on the eyes, especially if you are driving at night, you can manually change it to be set like this all the time. Another thing that you can also do is switch it into automatic mode. So this will allow it to be white in the daytime, but also darker at nighttime. And if that is not enough for you, you can also schedule the time and adjust it based on these timestamps right here. Now, this isn't the only thing it changed. It's not just your multimedia interface. It's also going to change your instrument cluster over here. And then also, let's put it back into dark mode. There we go. Give it some time. You can see that it also changes the way that your little icons look, even your maps, so that you know if you are using navigation at night or during the day, everything is going to be nice and easy on the eyes. If you guys like this video, be sure to like this video, leave a comment down below on any tips and tricks you want to see next, and of course, subscribe for more tips and tricks on all things Kia and Hyundai.